Are you coming with us?
Yes, I am.
Are you bringing snacks?
No, I'm not.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Are you cooking dinner?
Yes, I am.
Are you watching TV?
No, I'm not.
Are you cleaning the room?
Yes, I am.
Are you feeling sick? Yes, I am. Are you taking medicine? Yes, I am. Are you feeling better now? No, I'm not. Are you at home? Yes, I am. Are you free to talk? No, I'm not. Are you calling later? Yes, I am.
Are you walking?
Yes, I am. Are you alone? No, I'm not. Are you enjoying the weather? Yes, I am. Are you waiting for the bus? Yes, I am. Is the bus late? Yes, it is. Are you going to the city? No, I'm not. Are you a student here? Yes, I am. Are you in class 5? No, I'm not. Are you enjoying the class? Yes, I am. Are you buying vegetables? Yes, I am. Are they fresh? Yes, they are. Are you coming again tomorrow? No, I'm not. Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. Are you having tea? No, I'm not. Are you eating rice? Yes, I am. Are you working today? Yes, I am. Are you busy right now? Yes, I am. Are you taking a break? No, I'm not.